Welcome to DPV Technology. In this video, we will learn what is a breadboard and how to use it. We have seen that to make any electronic circuit, we have to solder the components to connect each other. But after soldering the components, if we want to use those components in other projects, then we have to desolder those. But it is difficult to desolder the components again and again, and in some cases we cannot reuse them after desoldering. Or if we want to make a circuit for testing purpose, then it is difficult to solder and desolder again and again. To solve this kind of problem, breadboard is used. Here is a 840 points breadboard. 840 points means it has 840 holes. Here is another one small 170 points breadboard. These holes are used to insert components into the breadboard. You can buy different types of breadboards from our official website www.dpvtechnology.com. Now we will see how to connect components in a breadboard. Here we can see there are two rows, row 1 and row 2. Again, this line divides these two rows into two columns. So we get 4 lines from this point to this point, another line from this point to this point. Again, for the second row, there are 2 lines, one from here to here and another from here to here. Similarly, for this side has 4 lines. All the holes of the first line are internally connected by conducting material. Similarly, all the holes of the second line are also internally connected. This is same for third and fourth lines, and for the lines of the other side also. But the holes of one line are not connected to holes of the other lines. Let us see with practical. Here I have a 9-volt battery with its clip and one LED and a 100 ohm resistor. Now here is my circuit diagram. We will make this circuit on breadboard. As in the circuit diagram, first we connect positive terminal of the battery to this line and negative terminal of the battery to the third line. So any hole of the line 1 will act as a positive terminal of the battery as they are internally connected by conducting material. Similarly, any hole of the line 3 will act as a negative terminal of the battery. Now as shown in the circuit diagram, I will connect this terminal of the resistor to positive terminal of the battery. So I can insert this terminal to any point of line 1. I can insert it here or here or here. All are same. Let us insert it here. Now I will insert the other terminal of the resistor to any point of the second line. Suppose I insert it here. Now from the circuit diagram, we can see that positive terminal of the LED is connected to this terminal of the resistor. So I can connect the positive terminal of the LED to any point of the line 2 since they are internally connected. Suppose I connect it here. Now from the circuit diagram, the other terminal of the LED is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Since the holes of line 3 are internally connected to negative terminal of the battery, so we will connect the negative terminal of the LED to any point of the line 3. So we can connect it to any point of line 3. Let us insert it here. We can see the LED is turned on since the circuit is completed. Actually, these horizontal lines are used as power rows, so we can call them power rails. We can connect our positive and negative terminals of our battery like this. And if we connect two small wires in between line 1 and 2 and in between line 3 and 4, then line 1 and line 2 together act as a single line, and line 3 and line 4 together act as a single line. Then this entire row will act as a positive terminal of the battery, and this entire row will act as a negative terminal of the battery. Now let us move to the middle section. In middle section, holes are vertically connected. That means all the holes in any coulomb are internally connected by a conducting material. But no two coulombs are internally connected. Suppose I connect my battery to this coulomb. Then the entire coulomb will act as a positive terminal of the battery, and the other coulomb will act as a negative terminal of the battery. Hope you will be able to understand what is a breadboard and how to use it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can buy electronic components, projects, modules, boards, sensors from the official website www.dpvtechnology.com. Thank you.